Welcome to Nevada.
Nasa gitna.
Nasaan?
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-80 West.
Welcome Center.
On the left.
Yeah. Yeah, go to the left.
Kasi likuan yan.
Ayun. West Wendover Welcome Center.
Stop.
Ayun, babe, left oh. Okay, stop ulit tayo mga idol. We are now at Visitor Center of Nevada from Utah. I-80 West. Ayan, may mga hotels na sila, casino. Of course, desert. Ang ganda ng basketball court nila oh. Burger King, McDonald's, gas station. Pasukin natin yung kanilang ano. Oh, may charging. Don't forget magbigay-pugay. Kasi we had this freedom to travel. West Wendover, Nevada, Incorporated, July 1st, 1991. To be opened July 1, 2076. Huh? Yeah, 2076. Pero tinanggal yung ano, yung white, highlighted white, or nabura lang. Neat lang, no? Saan na entrance? Now hiring Nevada Department of Transportation. Hi. Can I film here? Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you.
Let me know if you have any questions or if you're looking for anything specific.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, it's carpeted. Grabe yun, oh. Ibang klase itsura ng bike niya eh. The mission of 9 August 1945. Oh wow, what is this? Ano yan? Pang firefighter or pang ano? Aviation? Ang kulit na itsura nito, parang headset. Tapos oxygen.
My jacket belonged to the Louis B. Allen, 393rd Squadron.
Okay. Grabe yung mga ano, nag-track record eh, no?
Ayan yung diaanan natin.
Yeah. Ayun. Oh wow. Look at those cactus, ang gaganda oh. Pero usog ha. Ano mo, parang ano siya oh. Mabalahibo. Glacier National Park. Oh, Yellowstone. Sarap ilagay ito sa bathroom eh. Kapag nakaupo ka doon, babasa ka nito. Ready ka na, babe? Tara. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Peppermill Casino.